Dear students, we'll start with exercise 13.7. In that first question, find the volume of right circular cone with radius 3.5 centimeter, height 12 centimeter. So there is a right circular cone. What is given to us? They have given radius which is 3.5 centimeter and height is, this height they have given, that is 12 centimeter. Fine. What we need to calculate? We need to calculate volume of the right circular cone. So what is the height? Height is 12 centimeter and radius is 3.5 centimeter. Therefore, volume of the right circular cone or right circular cone is equal to what? Is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So that is 1 by 3. Pi is nothing but 22 by 7 because they have not given anything for pi, into what is r. If it is 3.5, I can write it as 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. What is height? Height is 12 centimeter. This 7 will get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 6s are 2 1s are 2 3s are. Okay. Next. 1 by 3 is there. This 3 will get cancelled. 7 2s are 14. Carry 1. 7 2s are 14 plus 1. 15, that is 154 centimeter cube. Therefore, volume of right circular cone is 154 centimeter in this particular case. Please note this down. Third question, the height of a cone is 15 centimeter. If its volume is 1570 centimeter cube, find the radius of the base. So, use pi is equal to 3.14. See, there is a cone. So, what is given? Height of the cone is given. What is the height? Height is 15 centimeter. We need to find the radius of the base. This radius we need to find. Volume is given. Volume is equal to 1570 centimeter cube and height is equal to 15 centimeter. We need to find the radius. Okay. Now volume of a cone is equal to what? 1 by 3 pi r square h. So what is volume of the cone? 1570 is equal to 1 by 3 into pi is nothing but 3.14 into what is r? We need to calculate, that is r square, will keep it as it is. What is h? H is 15 centimeter. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So this can be written as 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. See, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 2 left, 20, 5 4s are 20. Now r square is equal to 314 divided by 3.14. Divided by 3.14, or else r square can be written as 314 into 100 divided by 314. Because if I want to remove the decimal in the denominator, I need to multiply numerator and denominator by 100. Once I multiply numerator and denominator by 100, here you will get 314 into 100. 3.14 into 100 is nothing but 314. This will get cancelled. R square is equal to 100, or else r is equal to root of 100, or else r is equal to 10 centimeter. Fine. So please note this down. Fifth question, a conical pit of diameter 3.5 meter is 12 meter deep. What is its capacity in kiloliters? See, there is a conical pit. If it is a conical pit, it is 12 meter deep. Fine. And what is given to us? And it has a diameter 3.5 meter. It has diameter of 3.5 meter. Okay. Now we need to find the capacity in kiloliters. So what is the height? Height is 12 meter and it has a diameter of 3.5 meter. D is equal to 3.5 meter. Okay, then R is equal to 3.5 divided by 2 meters. Fine. Now capacity of conical pit is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, because it is there in the form of a conical shape. So 1 divided by 3 pi, they have not given anything for it. We can write it as 22 divided by 7. What is r square? 3.5 divided by 2 into 3.5 divided by 2 into what is h? H is 12. Okay. 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja. These two 4 will get cancelled. 7 1 ja 7. 7.5. Okay. So 22 multiplied by 0.5 is nothing but of 11 into 3.5. 11 5 is a 55. 11 3 is a 33 plus 5. 38. That is 38.5 meter cube, or else 38.5 kilo liters. Kiloliters. So because we know that 1 meter cube is equal to 1 kiloliter, which is equal to, see, 38.5 meter cube is equal to 38.5 kiloliters. Please note this term. 7th question. A right triangle ABC with sides 5 cm, 12 cm and 13 cm is revolved about the side 12 cm. Okay. Find the volume of solid so obtained. See, there is a right triangle. There is a right angle triangle ABC. If it is ABC, is revolved about the side 12 centimeter. If it is 12 centimeter, because this right angle triangle is revolving around 12 centimeter. Find the volume of the solid so obtained. See, if it is 12 centimeter, it will be equal to 5 centimeter. It will be equal to 13 centimeter. Okay. Now we need to say, once it revolves around 12 centimeter, so it is going to form a right circular cone with base radius 5 centimeter and height 12 centimeter. Okay. Now, what is the height? Height is 12 centimeter and radius is 5 centimeter. See, if this revolves around, so this will be axis of rotation, and if it is made to rotate about this particular side, so once it make a rotation, it will take a conical form. So after rotation, you will get a cone. So it has a, then 5 centimeter will become the base radius, and this will become the height. Okay. Now, volume of solid, volume of the solid is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi, for pi they have not given anything, we should write it as 22 divided by 7. What is r? 5 into 5. What about h? H is 12 centimeter. Okay. Now, 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja. Fine. So 5 4 is 20, 25 is 100. 5 4 is 20, 25 is 100. 100 into 22, 2200 divided by 7. Okay. It can be written as 7 1 is 7. 7 3 is 21. 1 left 10. 7 1 is 7. Again 3 left 30. 7 4 is 28. 7 4s are 28, 2 left, 20. 20 means 7 2s are 14, 6 left, 60, 7 8. This is nearly equal to 314.3. Or else, if you want to write in terms of pi, according to your textbook answer, what you can see, this is also one of the way. If you want textbook answer, what you can write, 1 by 3 pi as it is. After this, 1 by 3 pi, what is r square? 5 into 5. What is h? H is nothing but 12. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 5 4s are 20, 25 is 100. That is 100 pi. This is 314.3 centimeter cube. This is 100 pi centimeter cube. Either you can get it as 100 pi centimeter cube, or else the answer is 314.3 centimeter cube. Please note this down. So ninth question, a heap of wheat is in the form of a cone. So heap of wheat is in the form of a cone whose diameter is 10.5 meter. Its diameter is 10.5 meter. Use heap. It is 10.5 meter and its height is 3 meter. Height is 3 meter. Find its volume. The heap is to be covered by canvas to protect it from the rain. Find the area of the canvas required. Okay. Now what is the height? Height given for us is 3 meter and the diameter is 10.5 meter. Then the radius will be equal to 10.5 divided by. The volume of heap is equal to volume of the heap of wheat is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, because it is in the shape of a conical. 1 by 3 for pi they have not given. We need to substitute it as 22 by 7. What is r? 10.5 divided by 2 into 10.5 divided by 2. What is h? H is nothing but 3. This 3 will get cancelled. Fine. Now 7 1s are 7. Again 7 1s are 7. 3 left, 35. 7 5s are 35. 2 1s are 2 11s are. Fine. Now this is 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10. Or else we'll keep this as it is, 10.5 divided by 2. Now 11 into 1.5. 15 1s are 15. Carry 1s. 15 1s are 15 plus 1 16, that is 16.5. Now into 10.5. Okay. 16.5 into 10.5. 16.5 into 10.5. 5 5s are 25, carry 2. 5 6 are 30, 32, carry 3. 5 1s are 5 plus 3 8. 0 0 0 plus 5 6 1 5 2 13 7 1, that is 173.25 meter. So 173.25 divided by 2 meter cube. So 2 1s are 2. 10.5 divided by 2 as it is. So 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. 1 left, 13. 13 means 2 6 are 12. 1 left, 12 means 2 6 are 12. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. That is 86.625 meter cube. Now next we need to find the surface area of the canvas required. So what is the area of the canvas required? So we need to cover this particular area. We need not cover base. We need to cover this particular area, that will be equal to curved surface area of the cone. So the area of the canvas required is equal to the area of the canvas required is equal to pi r L. So L is equal to square root of r square plus h square. What is r? R is nothing but 10.5 divided by 2, which is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 5, that is 5.25 whole square. What is h? H is nothing but 3 square. Now 5.25 whole square is nothing but, so 5.25 into 5.25, 25, 10, 12, carry 1, 5 5 is a 25 plus 1, 26, 10, 5, 10, again 5 2, 6 2, same thing, no? We have multiplied, when we multiply with 5 we got 2625, same thing I have written, 5 2, 10 plus 6 16, 5 7 2, so 4 decimal, 4 digits after decimal, 1 2 3 4, that is 27.5625, 27.56. Instead of that I can write it as 28 plus 9, which is equal to 28 plus 9 is nothing but 37, which is nearly equal to 6.1 meter. Okay, 6.1. Now this is equal to, so in place of pi what we can write, 22 by 7. What is r? R is nothing but 10.5 divided by 2. L is nothing but 6.1. Okay, 7 1 ja 7 1 ja 7 5 ja 35, 2 1 ja 2 11 ja. Now 11 into 15 1 ja 15, carry 1, 15 6 ja 90 plus 1, 91, that is 9.15. Now 11 5 is a 55, 11 1 is 11 plus 5, 16, 11 9 is 99 plus 1, 100, that is 100.65 meter square. This is the area of the canvas required to cover the heap of the wheat. So please note this down.